Okay, I'm at Invite Hotels in Nuremberg. It's small. Top floor, I think. Slanted roof line, which makes it feel smaller towards that end. This is almost winter, so it's November, end of October, so that's fall. Big ass radiator thing. Lots of windows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows in the main area. See if the lights work, unlike the other place. Yes. Amenities. Washing. Okay. Tiny bed. I don't think a German male would fit in this bed. So this place isn't brand new, but it's not old. Little bit dingy, but really not so bad for the price. It's 43 euros per night. See, the last place had that mold in between all the tiles. This place doesn't have much of that at all. A little bit, not much. It's got the shower soap. I don't know what these are. If you could tell me, put in the comments. Another heater. See, 1 towel, 2 towels, tampon bag, another window. Okay. I don't think the window might open. I don't want to open it. I think it does open. Hair dryer. 2 toilet rolls. There's another socket. Looks like 1 or 2 more maybe 1 socket going there. 2 more sockets. Another socket. Looks like another socket. Could pull the bed out a little. Kind of the same. Okay, rate the room. Questionnaire. Okay. Candy. Okay. I think this is my own patio. This is a shared patio. A shared patio is better than no patio if I were a smoker.